All right, some news just coming in. The Congress's Central Election Commission meeting that has already started. This is the central election body of the Congress party that decides on candidates for elections. And today, the focus is on Amethi and Raebareli. Crucial meeting on in Delhi city. The big question here is whether it's going to be Rahul Gandhi versus Smriti Irani once again in Amethi. Will Priyanka Gandhi Vadra take the poll plunge? Will it be from Raebareli is the big question here. Abhishek Mishra is getting us more details on that story, and Mausmi Singh is with us as well. Mausmi, the big focus here is going to be on the two constituencies of Raebareli and Amethi, the Nehru Gandhi pocket borough here. The meeting has started. We know for sure that these are the two seats that are getting discussed today. Will we hear from them today itself on whether there is going to be, on whether Gandhis will be indeed contesting from here?
Right, Sneha. So the CEC, the Central Election Committee, the meeting is underway, and as you said, Raebareli, Amethi are under spotlight, being the only two seats that have not been declared in Uttar Pradesh. The screening committee cropped up Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's name. There is a lot of speculation that perhaps only one Gandhi sibling could actually take the plunge, and Rahul Gandhi could return to Amethi to contest and challenge Smriti Irani, and perhaps some other nominee or perhaps a loyalist of the Gandhi family could be fielded from Raebareli. However, all these, there is no official word coming. We've known in the past that there have been several claims and several announcements made by many Congress leaders. In fact, the resolution that was mooted by the State Election Committee said that Rahul Gandhi should contest from Amethi and Priyanka Gandhi should contest from Raebareli, and the final decision was left with the Gandhis. So perhaps, if not an announcement, after the meeting is over, we would know what transpired in the meeting, and it's almost highly probable that Rahul Gandhi's name would be cleared, because a contest by Rahul Gandhi is apparently pretty clear. So, but we'll have to wait and watch. The meeting is underway, and the final word will be out soon.
Yes. I'll just Mausmi, be with me. In fact, I'm going to request Abhishek also to be with me. Mausmi, I just want to ask you this, that here is the situation before the Congress party, particularly the Gandhis today. I mean, how can they not contest from here is the question I want to ask you. In spite of a defeat, and it's not the first time that the Congress has been defeated in Amethi. It's happened in the past as well. Yes, Gandhis have not been, but Indira Gandhi was, in fact, from Raebareli. But what I want to ask you is that this is a battle. This is an ego battle of sorts, really, from these two particular parliamentary constituencies, isn't it?
Right, Sneha, it is indeed baffling. If Priyanka Gandhi is in politics, then what is the justification or perhaps the explanation if she doesn't contest, as far as if it is to counter the Parivarvad argument is considered? Because if not in electoral politics, she's still in politics and she still has organizational posts. So clearly that counter is really very weak. On the other hand, it could be that, Priyanka Gandhi is an star campaigner and she's campaigning across India. So you would not want Priyanka to be pinned down to Raebareli as far as the campaign is concerned. But it's about Sonia Gandhi's very emotive letter in Raebareli, where she said that I hope you will continue taking care of our family and we will return soon, clearly indicating that the Gandhi family will continue to have a connect with Raebareli. And as far as you said, defeat, the Gandhi family, many members have been defeated in, Sanjay Gandhi was defeated in Amethi when he fought after the emergency. So it's not the first time that there is a scare of defeat, but the internal survey of the Congress party indicates that if it's the Gandhi family member contesting from these two constituencies, it's a clear victory. So indeed many questions will remain remain unanswered, Sneha. But we'll again have to wait and see whether the Congress can really walk that tightrope and let Priyanka Gandhi take the plunge.
All right, Mosmi, be with us. I'm just going to come back to you. Abhishek also is with us for more details on that. Abhishek, you know, the pressure from the cadre, the workers for the Gandhis to come back, I think that is really immense as well. Then why will the Gandhis not contest from here, from Amethi and Raebareli? I've been to both and spent a lot of time here, and I know exactly how the people of this area feel really about the Gandhis.
Well, certainly, and you know, there is no denying of the fact that Raebareli and Amethi, both seats has a relevance, has a sentiment here, and that is why, you know, the cadre, the workers and the leaders on the ground has been advocating about it constantly, that there is no other option than the Gandhi family members, that they should come on the ground, they should be, you know, filing this nomination, and who better than Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as the face, as the young leaders who are there. And that is why, you know, we have time and again, whenever we have come to Amethi, similar voices have always, you know, been heard. Now, what is also very interesting is, would like to tell you that there is also a speculation, or you say a discussion, that the party could possibly decide to switch the seats between among two. So in that condition, if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is being considered for the Amethi seat and Raebareli are given to Rahul Gandhi, that could also possibly make this election interesting as well. In a way, because, you know, Rahul in 2004 debuted for the first time for this election, went to the parliament, and this time it is becoming more sense in the sense that if Priyanka decides to go in the fray, Amethi could possibly that option too as well. So that all remains to be seen, and Raebareli is a very safe seat for the Congress party, has been constantly with the party, with the Gandhi family, never ever lost it. So that is why that could also be a comfortable option, and with you know, Sonia Gandhi writing that letter, that sentiment could possibly be another element. So certainly, you know, that is also an speculation, but one thing is very clear, that, you know, both these seats will certainly have prominent faces. The cadre has been preparing for it, and at the same time, the top leaders have also indicated. Ajay Rai, we spoke to him, the others as well, were constantly saying that it is, you know, very certain that this decision will be taken. It's a matter of few minutes now, and we certainly expect that decision and that name to be confirmed in the CC meeting, which is currently underway. But Amethi is also, you know, talking a lot about this, and a lot of people are here, you know, are expecting that announcement to be made.
All right. Expectation that the announcement is going to be made as early as today, given that the CEC meeting is underway. I'm going to ask both of you to be with us, Mosmi and Abhishek.